Hey guys, welcome back to Surebush Farms. It's time to cut some beans. So we did a little bit of work off camera. We got the combine ready to go. All we had to do was put fuel in it and grease it, and it's good to go. We did do 20 acres of beans so far, but it was only 20 acres. Dad planted that 20 acres to wheat right after the beans came off. So there's another thing that happened. What else? I think that's it. Okay, we're gonna go get the header, bring that here, and then we'll go get the combine. Huh? Must be waiting on parts. We got a little bit of stuff to do. I gotta get the combine greased. I'm just gonna check it over, shake everything. Give it a good shake down. Just, we did 20 acres, make sure everything's good. I've got to grease the head. We're gonna go ahead and get this beast greased, shake her down, and check her over, make sure she's right as rain. All right, everything's all set. Just gotta start it. Well, we got Dimitri in the grain cart. We're gonna teach him how to run it. But for right now, he's just dumping on the stop. Kind of slows us down a little bit, but just having the grain cart be able to come to you is nice enough, So he's gonna fill the truck, he's gonna send it out, and we'll keep cutting. Well, I finally got my auto steer figured out. I ended up adding another 3 feet to the wheelbase. Just to make the computer think it's longer so it turns a little bit slower or something, I don't know. I did something that, something to do with the wheelbase being longer, it steers a lot slower, and so it's not, doing this the whole time. So now my rows are nice and straight, which is very nice. One, to look at, and two, I'm not pushing beans over and whatnot. That was something I struggled with last year. I think I now got her down to a T. But we're moving along.